having a wonderful day. So I decided to make another weathermobile for you guys. So with the month of worldly weather, I decided that I would make a rain cloud mobile for you guys. So what you will need is a hanger, 2 pieces of paper, some fishing line or any, clear rope or anything like that that you want to use, and then also a paper towel roll that is empty. So what you will do first is you will cut out a shape of a cloud on both pieces of paper. You can either use gray marker or paint and do both sides just so you have a double-sided mobile. And then what you'll do with the paper towel roll is you will fold the top. And so the top is the top of your raindrop, and then the bottom is gonna be a little bit more round, just like an actual raindrop. So you will need your parents' help to help you cut the rope or fishing line, and then also cutting out the cardboard as well. So before I actually cut the cardboard, what I did is I painted the paper towel roll blue for the raindrops, and then your parents will help you tie the string to the hanger, and then you're gonna be stringing on your raindrops. And at the bottom of each raindrop, you can either tie a knot, or you can have them help you with like a hot glue gun that they can just put a little tiny bit of glue there so then it sticks, so then it doesn't fall all the way through. So you can do that with as many as you want. I made this out of just one paper towel roll, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. But if you have 2, or you can even use toilet paper rolls as well. So I just thought this was a super cute idea. You can do it with rain, you can do it with anything else, with like suns or flowers or anything that you want. But I just thought this was a super cute way to display your weather that you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have fun making a weathermobile.